Hi children, today we are going to discuss the second topic of our second lesson, that is water. All the living things on the earth depends upon water for their survival. It may be plants, animals, birds, human beings, any living things. So for the survival of all the living things, what is needed? Water is needed. Our planet Earth is covered with nearly 70% water. That is 3/4 of our Earth is covered with water. And what are the sources of water? Children, we can find water in ocean, river, lake, well, ponds, etc. Some of the uses of water are: water is very essential for the plant to grow, for the survival of the animals. It is very essential for human beings for drinking, cooking, cleaning, taking bath, etc. Water is made up of two gases. What are those two gases, children? Oxygen and hydrogen. Now let us learn the three states of water, that is three forms of water. The three forms of water can be named as solid, liquid and gas. So now let us understand the three states of water with the help of the video. When you keep a pan of water on the stove and light it, when the water heats, what happens, children? Water will change into water vapor. You all might have observed this while your mother is cooking in the kitchen. So that water, we can call it as liquid form, and the water vapor which is formed from the water on heating, we can call it as gaseous form of water. See this video, children. A man is pouring some water in the ice tray and he is keeping inside the fridge. The water which he pours in the ice tray is in liquid form, and after keeping in the fridge, it is cooled, that is, it is freezed, and after some time when you take back it, you can find the ice. That ice can be called as the solid form of water. Some of the other examples are the solid form of water, that is ice. You can find in the mountains and other colder places as snow. The examples of the places where you can see water in the liquid form or liquid state is in ocean, sea, river, ponds, lakes, etc. And in gaseous state or gaseous form, water is present in the form of water vapor. That is during the hot day and all. What happens? The water from the river, lake, ponds and other water bodies will evaporate and forms the water vapor in the air. So we can call ice as the solid state of water, water as the liquid state, and water vapor as the gaseous form of water. The process in which water is changing into water vapor, we call it as evaporation. That is, when you heat some water, what happens? Gases will come out of the water. That is called as water vapor. So, process of changing water into water vapor is called as evaporation. And when you close that water, that hot water with a lid, and after cooling, if you take that lid and see, what can you see, children? You can see water vapor in the forms of water droplets, drops. Yes, that is called as condensation. And I told you, when you keep some water in the ice tray inside the fridge for cooling, it changes into ice. That process is called freezing.